I am the Managing Director of Michael Page in India, and recently we partnered with SDA Bocconi Asia Center for their IEMB program. I wanted to give you a little bit perspective on how the program could help you forward in your career. Most of us would have started our career in the beginning 20s, and the skill sets we required at that point in time would be vastly different from the skill sets required in your job today. The program could help you on 3 different aspects in your career. First of all, it will help you to formulate a vision and strategy and link it back to day-to-day operations of your company. Secondly, it will give you insights on functional areas outside your expertise. And lastly, it will also connect you with people across different industries and functions, broadening your mindset. Overall, the program is a long-term and great investment in your career.